This is a technical analysis for RJET, which is Republic Airways Holdings Incorporated. We'll restrict this to purely technical analysis. We're looking at the monthly chart. We have a high that was achieved at $23.88 in June of 2007. Subsequently, we put in a low in September of 2011 at approximately $2, give or take 10 cents. From a constructive standpoint, we put in the lows and worked up to new highs of $15.31 before collapsing on the monthly chart. Drilling down into the weekly, the breakdown happened faster and more violently than it has previously. If you notice prior, we respected trend line to support on prior breakdowns. Right here we have the longer term trend line. Well, and once we breached it, created a downward channel. The downward channel was broken, and then we rapidly went down to all-time lows. Drilling down to the daily, we get a closer perspective of what's going on. We have an asymmetric trade opportunity here at this level. This is the present trading box that we're operating within. It's important to point out that we put in a low of 197, and this is 1 day's worth of activity. We jumped to $2.54. And today, we're presently at $2.67, and that is at a little after 12 o'clock p.m. Note, on the short term, we have 2 channels of resistance. We're failing to get over it at this point, and then we have another one that's right here. There is a possibility that this could gap up as far as 545, potentially 758. More likely somewhere within the trading box, top end of the box, and fail. Recommendation at this point would be to buy a very small allocation, approximately 5% of whatever the allocation would be, just so it shows up on your screen to keep track of it. Wait for a lower level in this range here, and for your second buy. And also, if we break over 305, that would also represent an entry level for a larger position. Drilling back to the monthly, drilling up to the monthly. This is the macro context again. This is an asymmetric opportunity. The RSI on the monthly is way oversold. Last time we had an asymmetric opportunity similar to where we are presently on the RSI. This is what happened. We had a price movement that was from a low of approximately 667 to a high of 1567. So just to translate that, that's a $7 to $8 possible move off of the bottoming of the RSI, which puts us in the perspective that that does in fact, if the same scenario plays out in a relatively short period of time, meaning from the low that occurred, 1, 2, 3, 4 months the new high was put in. So there is a possibility that there could be a $6 to $8 gain in less than 4 months within this issue.